Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shivangi. Let us know about a constitution that is extremely boisterous, and we can compare it with sulfur as well. So the remedy is Agaricus Muscarius. Agaricus Muscarius is a fungus and the active principle is toxic element found in the fungus, that is muscarin. So whenever an individual is intoxicated by this fungus, the symptom or symptomatology was noted then. That is how we get our Materia Medica. Okay. So first and foremost symptom after the poisoning is excitement. So in this phase of excitement, the person will be having exaltation or excitement feeling and will start having a lot of loquacity. As the delirium sets in, there is a phase of fancies or everything seeming great. Therefore, when you understand talks of Agaricus, it is always boisterous and they'll always speak about their exploits as if they have done something very great and something very good. They also have delirium of various sorts. In that, they feel as if a small stick that is lying down is like a big log, or they feel that a small puddle of water is like a large water body. So that is the mind part of Agaricus. Now when we try to understand the physicals, it is obviously indicated in twitching, jerking and chorias, that is the sphere of action is the nervous system. To know about more such remedies, stay tuned to our YouTube channel. You can also purchase our books from our website. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.